Welcome to Corporals Corner. Today we're going to continue our campfire cooking series with omelet stuffed bell peppers. So stick around, we have an outstanding show coming up. Well now, here we are once again. Another beautiful day, not a cloud in the sky, low to mid 30s, it's zero whatever, and I'm starving. So I thought, why not go ahead and continue our campfire cooking series with an omelet stuffed bell pepper. But before we get started, let's go ahead and check out the cookware that I'm using today. The Pathfinder 120 ounce bush pot is made from 304 stainless steel. It measures 6 inches in height, 7.5 inches in diameter, and holds 120 ounces. It has a bail, pour spout, large carrying handles, and a lid with a D-ring. Next we have the 64 ounce bush pot from Self-Reliance Outfitters. It's made from 304 stainless steel. It measures 5 1/4 inches in height with a diameter of 5 3/4. It holds 64 ounces, has a bail, pour spout, carrying handles, and a lid with a D-ring. Next we have the Pathfinder folding skillet. It's made from stainless steel, has a locking folding handle, 8-inch diameter, weighs 20 ounces, and has a lid with a D-ring. Now before we go any further, if you're interested in that cookware, it can be found at 2 places. First one is my Amazon influencer page. The second one is my Self-Reliance Outfitters influencer page. Both those links will be inside my description box. Let's talk about our food now. We're cooking a stuffed omelet bell pepper, okay? Now, think about all the things you want inside of an omelet. We're gonna mix those up, place it into an omelet, and cook it. So while I'm getting my ingredients ready, I'm gonna go ahead and cook the meat. I got some bacon, sausage, and ham. Protein, protein, protein. Now while the meat's cooking, let's go ahead and prepare the rest of our bell pepper. All we gotta do is cut the top off and hollow it out. Then we're gonna grab 3 to 4 eggs, and we're gonna scramble them up like scrambled eggs. Once we have our mushrooms, our onions, and our meat is fully cooked, we're gonna take that and we're gonna place it into our eggs, and then pour that mix into our bell peppers. Sausage, bacon, nice ham right there. Oh yeah, look at that. that gooey awesomeness. Fill this thing up about 3/4 and then stop. Look at that. Okay, so let's go ahead and talk cook time. It can be anywhere from 5 minutes to 15 minutes, maybe even 20 minutes, depending on how hot your coal bed is. So my suggestion is check that thing every 5-10 minutes, and if it's good to go, take it out. The one thing you don't want to do is you don't want to burn that. Okay, so if you notice I use very little coals. All I'm trying to do is cook those eggs. The meat's already been cooked in the skillet. I don't want to burn the biscuit or the outside of that bell pepper. So far so good, looking outstanding. Go ahead and check this out. It's been about 25 minutes with that amount of coals. I rotated that bell pepper every 5 to 7 minutes so it wouldn't burn. Now once that cheese is melted, we'll get it out and chow down. All right, let's get this party started. Oh yeah. Check that out. Got that egg, bacon, sausage, ham, mushrooms, cheese. Got that hint of onion. Can't find my Tabasco, so guess I'm not prepared for class. Get this Pillsbury biscuit. Look at that, nice and fluffy. Get some of this, put it on there. Look at that sausage. Oh man, this is outstanding. That buttermilk biscuit, that giant piece of bacon right there. Man, this is so good. As usual, I'm gonna sit here and be nasty. Catch you in a few minutes. Welcome back. That stuffed omelette bell pepper was amazing. Now check this out. All the gear in this video can be found on my Amazon influencer page or my Self-Reliance Outfitters influencer page. I'll put both those links inside my description box. Please do me that favor. Hit that like and subscribe button. Then ring that notification bell. Once you ring that bell, please select all notifications. And as always, thank you for your comments, views, and support. Thanks for watching. Get out in the field, have some fun. I'm going to catch you next time.